Mayor Sara, you appear to be very soft-spoken, yet we all know that you are also very fierce. Do you see yourself as someone who speaks softly but carries a big stick?
Actually, yung totoo talaga, I'm quite shy and reserved.
Oh, okay.
Of course, my friends would say that, oh, no, she's not shy. But I talk when I am with friends, but with acquaintances and strangers, I'm usually nagka-clam up ako. So, yan yung isa sa mga challenges ko. And then another thing is, meron akong stage fright.
Really?
Yes.
Tama.
Severe. Oo nga, no? Hindi niyo napapansin. No, I have severe stage fright na tulad nito. I don't usually do interviews, but I did this for you because I wanted to thank you for all your help to our President Duterte, no? Kasi, yun nga, grabe yung stage fright ko. And it takes a big effort for me to speak, to talk.